All right, it is a crazy bright morning, and today we are going to explore this 30-inch Deluxe outdoor kitchen prep station. Actually, I think you can see over there in the background, I have where my barbecue is under a little awning, and I thought this would be great to have some extra space to work out here. I do have to say, NUUK was nice enough to send it to me to do this review for you, but they've given me no instructions. They just said, we think our stuff's good. Here it is. Go play with it. Let the people know. So that's what we're going to do. I have two important questions, right? It's metal construction, so durability I'm not worried about. The two important questions that we're going to answer is it a pain in the butt to put together? And number two, is it like good quality construction? Do things line up? Does it seem like something that the metal's obviously going to last a very long time, but does it seem like it's put together well? So what do you say we go put it together and then talk about the overall experience putting it together and what the final product looks like? Let's go check that out. All right, here it is with only one slight modification. I did not put the extra set of handles and hooks here to hang things off of just because I wanted to have it in this kind of configuration here. But outside of that, everything is on it. It has gone together well. I would give the instructions like a 9 out of 10. The instructions are pretty good. I think I would slap some person in the failed out of engineering design school who made this. So there are so many places where it is so hard to get your little fat fingers on here to start these screws. I mean, I understand why they end up there. You know, I can understand balance-wise to put it together, but I feel like IKEA would not make it so difficult to put it together. Let me rephrase that. It wasn't that difficult. It was just not super easy. But it is together. It is really solid. It is really nice. It's got the shelf. I didn't even know it had the shelf inside here. Ooh, another thing that I will thank them for, I put this in here to show you. Obviously, there's a nice space here. You can put paper towels there. Door shuts nicely with the magnet. This seems like a silly thing, but I can't tell you how many of these packages I get from Amazon, and they use the cheapest styrofoam in the world, and it's like a snowstorm out here in the backyard when you start opening up and the stuff's flying all over. This is nice quality. This is almost like rubberized, and all of the packaging was like this, and that makes an actual difference to me. Overall, I'm going to say this thing's super cool. I'm excited to have it, do a cook on it, that kind of stuff. Hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time. Kona likes it too.